Welcome back, ladies and gents. So excited, better than Christmas today. My seed order has arrived. I've got 30 packets. I think there's 28 different varieties. As you can see from the start here, I've got 4 different varieties of Verbascum. And then I've got Antirrhinum, Frosted Flames, Petunia, Agapanthus, Aquilegia, 2 different varieties of Dianthus, Stocks, Phlox, Achillea, Echinacea, 2 different varieties, Dahlia, Dwarf Cactus mixed, 2 different varieties of Sweet Pea, which I'm really looking forward to growing, especially for the scent, Foxglove, Apricot, which I've not grown before, Sunflower variety Valentine, and then I've got 7 different varieties of poppies. So we've got huge doubles, that's Peony Florum, so that's a peony variety, Poppy Apple Green, which is a white peony variety, Scarlet peony variety again. This one's the only one, this is red and white, it's called Union Jack, that's just a single leafed flower. Pom-poms, Clarkia Apple Blossom, Summer Fruits, and then Black Currant Fizz. So that's 28 different varieties of flowers, 30 packets. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm just looking forward to getting all these started now. Thank you very much. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.